Hi there learners. It's nice to see you again. Welcome to Valenzuela Live. But before we proceed, please prepare your learning module, pen and paper, and don't forget to collaborate and engage during discussion. Let's learn and enjoy.
Quarter 1 Week 8 Lesson, Identify different type of safety symbol. What we need to know in this lesson. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to 1. Identify the electrical safety symbol and its category. 2. Create an appropriate electrical safety symbol for a particular area. 3. Value the importance of electrical safety symbols in a workplace. What's new? Safety signs and symbols exist to make identifying potential hazards easier. Keep things simple by spreading signs out within an area to avoid clustering them. Too many signs crammed together overwhelm workers with information and makes it less. And remember that safety signs only work if everyone understands them. Conduct regular refresher training to ensure that every worker is familiar with the symbols and their meanings. What is EAT? Safety symbols and their meanings. Safety signs can be a tricky business. Some have words and a clear message, while many rely on visual symbols to warn of potential danger. This is also an effective way to communicate potential hazards as long as workers understand what the symbols mean. There are two different types of safety symbols. One refers to general safety protocols, while the other is used specifically for labeling chemicals that may be hazardous. Since most workplaces have a combination of both, it's important to understand each of them. Why do we use safety symbols? These pictures may not say 1,000 words, but they are universally recognized symbols that transcend language. No matter where you are working, you will be able to understand the potential hazards you face simply by looking at the posted symbols. Why safety symbols is important. Signs and symbols are no substitute for training, but they do serve as important reminders. They can be particularly helpful for workers who are not familiar with a specific area or process. A simple sign with a safety symbol allows workers to efficiently identify the potential hazard and make an immediate decision. Which signs and symbols are appropriate a workplace? To know what symbols should be in a workplace, there is a need to perform a comprehensive risk assessment. Assessments should be conducted for each activity and at each designated workspace to make sure you identify all potential hazards. Once you have that information, you will know where workers will need safety reminders. Your power tool and its owner's manual may contain warning icons, a picture symbol intended to alert you to, and / or instruct you on how to avoid a potentially hazardous condition. Understanding and heeding these symbols will help you operate your tool better and safer. Safety alert. Potential personal injury hazards. Prohibition. Danger. It indicates an imminently hazardous situation which, if not avoided, may result in serious injury or death. Warning. It indicates a potentially hazardous situation which, if not avoided, could result in serious injury or death. Caution. It indicates a potentially hazardous situation which, if not avoided, may result in minor or major injury. Caution. It indicates a potentially hazardous situation which, if not avoided, may result in property damage. Wear eye protection. Read and understand instruction manual. Let's put your knowledge to the test. What I know part. Identify the following symbol. Drop down your answer in the comment section. Great job, learners! Now we will proceed to Week 9 lesson, Read and Follow Manual of Specification. At the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to 1. Identify the different information in the Manual of Specification of electric and hydraulic tools. 2. Inspect the different information in the Manual of Specification of electric and hydraulic tools. 3. Value the importance of different information in the Manual of Specification of electric and hydraulic tools. What's in? Can we give the name of the following safety signs and symbols? Great job, learners! Keep that passion burning. What's new? Just like the safety signs and symbols, we must also read and follow Manual of Specifications of the different electrical power tools and equipment before use. What is Manual of Specification? Manual of Specification is a booklet that serves as a user guide in using such as electrically operated equipment, devices and appliances. It is a how-to set of instructions. It may show how to set up equipment, show safety requirements, how diagrams or pictures, parts list, checklist, capabilities, etc. What is it? Manual of Specification. Information in the manual typically includes safety instruction, includes warnings and precautions in using the product. Assembly instruction is used for dismantling and assembling product in case of repair. Setup instruction is used for devices that keep track of time or which maintain user accessible state. Normal usage instruction is used for obtaining usual features of the product. Maintenance instruction is used for long life use of the product. Troubleshooting guide is used for separation and maintenance of the product. Service location provides the address of the factory and information of authorized technician to be consulted. Regulatory code compliance information gives the approval of regulatory standards. Warranty information serves as the agreement and conditions set by the company. What's more, page 36. Identify the information being referred to by the picture below. What do you think is the answer? Correct. This one is a safety instruction in a manual. To apply your acquired skills and knowledge, answer worksheet number 8. What's more, page 32. That is 5 points only. And for worksheet number 9, answer the assessment part, page 37, 5 points also. For your performance task, the assessment part, page 33 of your self-learning module. Draw at least 5 different electrical safety symbols and write their meaning. Use a separate sheet for your answer.